now it gives me great pleasure to reintroduce all of you to the Master of Riviera. Please welcome Captain Gunnar.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As introduced by Cruise Director David, my name is Gunnar Romtveit, and I'm the master of this beautiful Riviera. My last name can be so difficult to pronounce, so most of the crew, they just call me Gunnar, which is perfectly fine. So I will also take this opportunity on behalf of Oceania Cruises, all the crew, staff, officers, general manager and myself, to officially welcome you on board on the Riviera. In order to administrate 700-800 crew members, you need to have very professional and dedicated department head and officers. And we have some of them here tonight, so if you put your hands together, we will invite them up to the stage.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board the Riviera. I'm Tino Susino. I'm the chief engineer. I'm responsible of technical department.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome on board. My name is Thierry Tolon, the general manager. I'm in charge of the entire hotel operation. With my accent, it's very easy. I come from France, bravo. But for the past 10 years, I live in a tiny, tiny small island called Australia. Welcome on board.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dražen, and I'm coming from Croatia. I'm staff captain on board, responsible for safety, security, and I'm second in command.
My name is Michelle Gallik. I come from Germany, and I'm the chief person on board.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Javier. Buenas noches. I'm your executive concierge, and I'm from Spain.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pasquale Di Landro. I'm the food and beverage director on board. I come from south of Italy. I'm Alfie.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Phil. I am the Destination Services Manager. I come from London, England.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Duncan, and I'm the Human Resources Manager on board.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mihail Vese, and I'm the Beverage Manager on board.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board the beautiful Riviera. My name is Gabriela Cabello. I'm from Lima, Peru. I'm the chief housekeeper on board.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John Hobley. I'm from Portsmouth in England, and I'm your restaurant manager on board.
My name is Christophe. I'm your senior executive chef on board Riviera, and I come from France. Have a wonderful cruise.
And good evening again. I'm your cruise director, David, originally from Southern California. Last 10 years, been living near Houston, Texas. And I mentioned every day on the TV show, it's going to be hot, stay hydrated. And it looks like you're doing a very good job of that tonight. So keep enjoying the party, and welcome aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome on board. I hope you will have a wonderful cruise down to Istanbul, and I hope to see you around. And as you say in Norwegian, skål! Skål!
Question number 9. The Unabomber Ted Kaczynski had a manifesto published in the New York Times and Washington Post. +4, +8. The only movie to win the X-rated movie to win the Best Picture Oscar was not Pulp Fiction, was not Last Tango in Paris, wasn't the Simpsons movie, it was Midnight Cowboy. Last Tango, I believe the actress got an award for Best Picture.